March 2021 Comic Tom Mystery Mail Call. Dad's opening it up. It's going to be a good one. I can feel it. Black bag in it. Maybe it's some adult stuff. Like the video store beaded curtain. Comic books. Oh, that's that Joker variant. Every mail call got one of these in. Let's see how we did. Let's flip it around. Trade dress. That's such a cool cover, Tom. That is cool. Super high print run, so you know nobody's getting rich off of that one. But it's really, really cool. Oh, very nice black suit print. I have not watched the Snyder Cut yet, but I'll be putting that in a bag and a board to go with all the other prints. Very cool. Looking forward to watching that movie when I get 4 hours one day. Kind of a joke, 4 hours. Wow. Speaking of Superman, here we have the Action Comics Annual. Cry Vampire, it says. I ended up with a 16-second John Byrne Batman sketch last year. That was pretty cool. Oh. Now this could be cool. With the multiverse coming up next year. It's got the reader's crease in it. Easily pressed out. No color breaks. But ghostwriter and Doctor Strange, I think that could eventually legitimately be worth some money. 15, 20 bucks. But right now it's a nice book. Just a reader. Oh, a cool old Incredible Hulk, Bronze Age. $2.38. Good shape. Ticks and stuff, but nothing awful. Not a key. Just a cool old book. Cool old book. And then, oh cool, we got an extra one in there too. Demon Days. This is the exclusive this month. Peach Momoko interior art. Blacklight cover. Really, really cool. Tom's got good people working on his exclusives. That is a gorgeous book. And then it looks like we got a Scout ash can. Yeah. Soul Stream. Which I've got another very cool variant. Pays to know people. But that is a cool cover. So, there was the March 2021 Mystery Mail Call. Normally there's a little newsprint in it, and I did not see the newsprint anywhere in this, but I'll post it up, and hope you guys have a good day.